Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to download videos on YouTube. So this will be for all devices. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now I would say this method is by far the easiest to do, as it is actually a YouTube feature. However, the issue is the fact that you will have to pay a monthly fee. Now this may put people off into using YouTube Premium. So of course paying will be an issue for most. However, you do get that option to trial out the YouTube Premium for 1 month. So maybe that'll sweeten the deal for you. Now what's great about YouTube Premium is you do get quite a few features like the ad-free and background play. You can download and go. You have YouTube Music Premium. So depending if you have Spotify as well, it may be something that you might want to switch over to, as this platform has a lot to offer. Now of course the ad-free will more than likely be an appeal to using YouTube Premium. That basically just means your videos are uninterrupted by ads. So whenever you sign in, either via your mobile device or if you go onto your desktop, once it's enabled, you'll not view any sort of ads at all. Now you also have the download and go feature. So some people of course may want to have this option. So as it states, if you are low on data or can't get online, you're able to download any videos that you like, which we're going to be demonstrating in this video on the desktop or the mobile device. And you've also got another feature, which of course is the background play. So if you do have YouTube Premium, and like Spotify where you're listening to music and you click off Spotify, it continues to play. This actually applies for videos, so it'll play the video on the background. For those who maybe use Spotify and of course are paying that monthly bill, this is coming to around $11.99. So compare that with Spotify, you are paying probably £3 more for this. However, you will unlock most of the other features, and included on that you will get YouTube Music Premium. So you're able to download the music that you'd like that is within the selection of YouTube. So it pretty much works the same way as Spotify. Okay, so now that we've covered a bit of what YouTube Premium is all about, we're going to go ahead and just give you a little guide on how to get started. So if you type into a Google search engine YouTube Premium, or you can search it up through the YouTube website itself, you'll be located to this very window. Now, as I said, it will give you an option to trial the YouTube Premium for 1 month, and then you'll be paying £11.99 per month, and you'll get reminded within the 7 days before the trial ends. So firstly, we're going to go ahead and click the try it for free. Now of course, for a trial to begin, you will be billed. So this is where you're able to add your payment details. There's a couple of options there where you can pay by card. You can either do credit or debit. You can add a PaySafe card, or you can do the PayPal. And of course, once you're happy, go ahead and click on buy. And once you do go premium, you'll be able to click on any video that you like, and you'll then have that little option to go ahead and download the video. So once you click download, that'll then save onto the downloaded section on your YouTube. But that's pretty much it, folks. And to do this method on your phone is pretty much the same steps. So you'll get an option for any video that you open up on YouTube, and you'll get that little option on the bottom to download the videos. But as I said, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. If you guys found this useful or helpful on a quick insight to what YouTube Premium is all about, please do leave us a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.